Part 3, the unseen handcuffs. Clack, clack, I'm a criminal.
Lock.
From just how a brother look. Oh, you always on that black stuff. Well, you always on that white stuff. Snort, snort. You know what I'm saying? Unseen, unseen. But we're going to talk about the economic field in this unseen, stereotypical, you sell dope, you don't pay taxes, brother.
Nigga, get a loan.
Get a loan. Get a loan. Party people, I'm not a criminal. And not convicted of not one crime. Just didn't get caught. But my brother tried to get a credit card, man. I was thinking, nah, I probably need to buy something, you know, build up my credit. You know how they say, well, man, you gotta, you know, hey, man, you gotta start somewhere, man. Buy a card, man. Get a J.C. Penney's card. Get a Macy's card. Get a card. Bill it. Pay on it. Then on the news, they say niggas pay a higher interest.
Jesse.
In everything. Jesse said that. Jesse Jackson said he done discovered niggas, black people pay higher interest in everything. Buying a house, getting a damn loan, health insurance, car insurance, light bill, water bill.
They assassinated that nigga character.
Just running the nigga shit up, playing games on the nigga. And lazy-brained motherfuckers ain't looking at nothing could be wrong or something maybe ain't wrong. Something just strategically done and your dumb ass cannot see it.
Lazy-brained.
Lazy-brained handcuffs need to be in the clan. Now we're going to talk about brother tried to get a credit card, man, for years. Can't get one. I went to go buy a car one time. I had the cash. You know, white boy was being, he was Spanish, white boy was being, you know, upfront and frank with me, man. He said, hey, man, look here, man. He ran my credit right quick. I gave him a name. He looked at my shit. He said, I'm going to tell you like this, man. Because he from Miami, but he ain't from, you know, the black Miami, Africa Miami.
Liberty City?
Liberty City, little head, over town,
One
over
time.
Locker, Brown Sub, Carrot City, still in the game, Seminola. You know what I'm saying? Coconut Grove. Keep it moving. Homestead. Perrine. Goulds. Where I live at? If I did, Robin Hood. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Shadlon boy.
So
but you know, okay. Brother went to go get a car. He said, man, you can't use that address.
Oh, shit.
I said, what? I said, that's why I stay. What you talking about? He said, man, I'm going to tell you like this. I'm going to just be straight up with you. I know, he said, I know people think this shit ain't, you know, racially profiled. You know what I'm saying? But he said, most people with them hood addresses got a bad chance at establishing credit. Because you already denied from your neighborhood. Now, you might not even be that criminal.
Then they call that red zoning? Red lining?
Red lining, red zoning. Red zone, I think it was. You know, brother name pop up in the red zone. Beep, beep, beep. I did what I did. Hey, man, where you from? I'm from this address. Got a lot of criminal activity over in there. What that got to do with me? My brother just trying to make it. All right, we're going to keep it moving. Brother tried to get a grant. Now, this to the black people on this part here. We got these little, what they call it, non-for-profit organizations in the hood. I ain't going to spit no names. Or should I, bro?
No, I don't.
Don't spit no names.
Don't do it.
These people supposed to, I'm going to just say it's an economic coalition. That's what these non-for-profits are. especially for minorities. As you listen to Dr. Claude Anderson, he'll tell you about some of that shit happening over here in Miami, Florida. How they moved us out of minority, not that I want to be one, because I know I'm not a minor in my mind, but they moved the minority status to Spanish people. And the brothers and the sisters working up in the goddamn, they might not own the non-for-profit organization Economic Coalition Center, but they run it. And they run it according to the book. And not thinking that book is somewhat against your monkey ass. So you know what I'm saying? I come up in the place, I'm looking natural. I ain't got the shirt and tie, you know, suit and tie on. Why? I have a construction company, man. I came in with, you know, my boots and my, you know, my clothes and my measuring tape on my side. You know, I even heard about the grants through the radio station, 1080. They was talking about it. They said the mom and pop grants, come down here and get them now. If you got a company registered with a tax ID number, you good. Like, this is a grant, not a loan. I know a loan I have to have more, you know, more, you know, credentials and stuff. Time getting short, man. We're going to run another one, though, but I'm going to tell you. Them niggas in there was tripping, man. I got my tax ID number. My company is registered. Then they went to, you need to have an occupation license. But I heard through the grant, you could get the grant, you know, to get that. And then they, at 2 years ago, I went for the same grant, right? They was giving you the cash. And you do what you got to do. As long as you stick to the business plan that was presented in the first place upon getting the grant. Now, since Claude Anderson said, they're not even dispersing cash anymore. And I witnessed that, and I experienced that for myself. I went down there for the grant, man. They said the grant will be in somewhat credit. They're not giving out cash no more. Only the black communities, because you go to them Spanish hoods, and the Mexican got all type of goddamn little companies running around. Yard cutting, car wash, painting,
no ID,
construction, sheetrock. They hiring all the motherfuckers who ain't even legal in the country. Niggas ain't even trying to cut a few corners. So a natural brother like me can get on. Now those called unseen hand